Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to clear your Safari web browser history on your Mac. First things first, you'll need to open your Safari web browser. Once it's open, look for the History tab at the very top of your screen and click on it. This will bring up your history settings, showing you specific dates and websites you visited. At the very bottom of this menu, you'll see a Clear History button. Click on that. A pop-up box will appear, letting you know that you're about to clear your history, including related cookies and other website data. Now, click on the drop-down box next to Clear. Here, you can choose how far back you want to clear your history. You can select the last hour, today and yesterday, or all history. Choose the option that suits you best. Once you've made your selection, click on the Clear History button. Just a heads up, once you clear your history, it's permanent and unrecoverable. So make sure you really want to delete it. And that's it. You've successfully cleared your Safari history. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Thanks for watching.